Today, we're diving into how an AI goes from raw, messy power to being genuinely helpful.
So what's the secret sauce?
It's not just more data, it's about a smarter way of teaching. See, base AI models know a ton, but they have absolutely no human judgment. It's a huge problem. And without that guidance, their answers can be useless, wrong, or even kind of dangerous. The real key wasn't a bigger brain. It's about aligning the AI with what we, humans, actually want. And that brings us to something called RLHF. That's reinforcement learning from human feedback. It's basically a 3-step recipe to turn that raw power into something incredibly useful. Let's get into it. Okay, step 1. This is where humans literally show the AI how to behave with great examples. People write up a bunch of perfect answers for the AI to study, kind of like its own personal cheat sheet.
All right, on to step 2, reward modeling. Now we teach the AI how to spot a good answer.
The AI spits out a few different answers, and then humans jump in to rank them, best to worst. All those rankings are used to train another AI, the reward model. Think of it as an automated taste tester.
And for the grand finale, step 3. The AI now practices conversations with its new automated judge. It's like a game. The AI tries to get the highest score possible from the reward model, constantly improving. So after all that, does this whole stunning transformation actually work? What's the payoff? The difference is night and day. It goes from a dense, technical answer to a simple, useful analogy. And you can see it in the numbers. We're talking a huge jump in quality, all rated by people.
So this isn't just about getting better answers. We're actually encoding our values right into the AI.
Which leaves us with a pretty deep question, right? If we're teaching it our values, whose do we pick?